In this tutorial, guys, we're going to do a quick research on Ankr token to see the latest updates, to understand some basic and key utilities of this project, and just a miscellaneous overview on this particular project. Now, right here on my screen, you can see it's currently, the price action is currently at $0.0304 dollars as regards currently, because of the bear market. Then the weekly percentage increase is currently up, but it's down by about 1.63%, as you can see here. Now the market cap is currently at $248 million. Then 24-hour volume is about $21 million being traded on the 24-hour volume scale. Now total circulating supply is currently at 8, I think this is 8 billion tokens, while the total supply is at 10 billion tokens. Now I'm going to take you directly to view it on CMC, but right here on my screen there are not much updates. When you search there are no much news updates here. This is the official website. It's available on Kucoin, Savazilla, this Conduct, this Coinbase, and also Binance, guys. So going to CMC, we're going to see it's currently at the watch list of about 207,000 users. So, and it's currently being ranked at 114. Now on CMC there are lots of tokens or lots of projects that have been listed here. Now as of recording, we have about 20,000 tokens being listed there, and about 523 exchanges being listed. Now the cool thing is that since Ankr, our Ankr token, is currently at 114, it sure shows some level of potentials that this project could be having in the nearest future. Now all you need to do, if you want to add it to your watch list, you can add it to your watch list and click here. Then also we're going to dive into the basic and price action to see how the price has been faring so far. Now right here you can see how the price movement has been. It went from 0.003 to about, but this is a 1-day chart, so I'm going to zoom in. I'll zoom out a little bit to see the 7 days price chart. So it has, on the 7-day scale, it has about 0.02. That's about on the 18th of June 2022. So you want to take note of that. Then also from 1 month time frame, you can see how it has been faring during these bear markets, how it has been faring so far. So you can see it fell from 0.03 to about as low as 0.002. So the difference is not that much. Let's see how the 3 months frame has been. Then for 3 months time frame, it went from 0.08 to about as low as 0.02, which we've seen. Then also let's see how the 1 year movement has been. Now from here, it started at about 0.07. So it did a peak of about 0.2. I think this is about 0.17. Then before coming this low. Now let's check out more to see how far this price has been. So basically, before you do invest in projects, you want to see how well the price has been faring. Now since inception, when it was launched, it started about 0.012, and from there it has grown so high. It went as far as, I think this was about 2019 when it was the project kick-started. Then it went from there up 2019. Then on 2021 it did this ATH. I think it was the bull market run during the season where BTC price rose also. Then also you can see the price went from 0.001 to as high as I think 0.02. So that's one of the key price differences of price movement so far. Now looking at the Ankr token or the project, for users who do not know, Ankr is a decentralized blockchain infrastructure provider that operates an array of nodes globally distributed across all over 50 proof of stake network. Now this infrastructure helps drive the growth of crypto economy while powering a full set of multi-chain tools for Web3 users. Now, Ankr token or Ankr build, Ankr provides comprehensive blockchain developer solutions, now including traditional APIs, decentralized multi-chain network of public RPC nodes used to access blockchain data and execute node, and tools like Ankr Scan to view on-chain information across blockchains. Now, there's also the Ankr Earn feature, which makes staking, liquid staking, and other yield earning opportunities easy and accessible to any crypto investor. Now, Ankr creates the most scalable decentralized staking infrastructure solution that aims to solve the capital efficiency. So these are just basic details available here. Now, looking at the founders, because you want to know the people behind this project, it gives you the credibility. It gives you a look on what the potentials of the projects in particular. When you have good investors and when you have good backers, it gives you more assurance that the project is going to be very viable. Now, the co-founders, there are currently about 3 of them. I said we have Chandler Song, the co-founder, and Ryan Frank, which is they came under Forbes 30 under 30 laureates, founded Ankr in 2017. So both of them started this company in 2017, shortly after graduating from the University of California. Now, we've seen lots of crypto CEOs and investors coming out from these university. Then we also have Berkeley, after being early participants in the blockchain at Berkeley program. Then Chandler was working as an engineer at Amazon Web Services at the time where he met Stanley Wu. So this is Chandler here. So Chandler met Stanley Wu during their days at engineering at Amazon Web Services, where they now had this relationship. And later on, Chandler invited Stanley Wu to become the 3rd co-founder just to support and build this project. Now, together, the mission or the core purpose is to build the most decentralized and scalable Web3 infrastructure possible. Now, looking at the unique features, Ankr token is currently uniquely positioned as a node infrastructure and decentralized web services provider that allows dApps and blockchains to run and communicate with each other seamlessly, while allowing users to earn more with the assets by delegating them easily to validator nodes. Now, this in contrast to centralized solutions like Amazon Web Services, there's AWS blockchain, and many others. So what is the Ankr token? The Ankr is a native utility token needed for transactions and payments for many of Ankr's services, as well as platform governance. Ankr has capabilities of ERC20, BEP2, and also BEP20 token. It is also available on Polygon, Avalanche, and Phantom Network, which makes it very diverse and gives users more opportunity to easily trade with these platforms or these networks without having to convert to other networks. So there's a lot of broad flexibility here. Now, also the Ankr token will play a core function in enabling institutional independent node providers to monetize their nodes. So these are just some core benefits. Now, looking at how many Ankr tokens are so the circulating supply is currently 6 billion tokens. They are trading about $49 million, and there's a maximum supply of about 10 billion Ankr tokens. Now, looking at how it is secured, the Ankr uses verification nodes in the block validation process, and as such can ensure the quality of the network itself is maintained and that any bad actors are removed. So this is one core feature about this project. Now, looking at the market where you can get it, the cool thing is that it's been listed in lots of exchanges, as well as the top 10 exchanges, such as we have Binance here, we have Coinbase, we have Crypto.com, we have BitUp. So I'll be leaving the link in the description box if you feel you want to get access or get a pie, or you want to hold on to this project. Also, okay, you can see users feedbacks and more. Now let's check out some basic comments from users who are currently using who are currently holding these 2 projects. So this is a Ankr. Okay, this uses a little bit bearish. Then we have old here, we have old June 21. So you want to check out what people are currently saying about this project. This will help you help you get an overview of what the potentials these projects usually have. Now, if the bull market is to kick off as of recording, we could be seeing Ankr token doing about 2x or more. And also I think in the community there should be an opportunity where they should have this bond mechanism, but I'm not sure if it's currently available, but if it's available, it could help push the price forward. The market cap is a little bit low, is less than $1 billion. You're currently at $248 million, which also holds some lots of potential. Now, the circulating supply has been verified, which is a good thing. Now, the circulating supply is about 82%, with the remaining ones just locked for, I think it's locked for about some basic purposes. Now, those are some keynotes. I'm going to also check the latest updates here if there are any. Ankr, because okay, these are just the updates. Now let's check out your social handles and your communities to see how active they've been so far. Now you also want to check out the source code if you're good with source code and your white paper. It sure gives you an overview of this project, and it helps you make your research or make your decision even better. You can also check out the explorers that are available here to see how these tokens have been distributed. Now I'm currently following Ankr token. Currently has about 188,000 followers. Now it's been followed by some notable figures. We have I think we have one of my colleagues here, Full Value Club, as well as you can check users who are currently following up with this project. I think we should have some verified projects here that are currently following up with this project, such as BNB Chain, Kucoin updates, Lunar Crash, Mex Global. So these are just platforms that it has been listed on. Then you can also see that are currently following up with this project. Now the cool thing is that they aim to be bring a decentralized system, such as just like the one you have for cloud saving for cloud, like the Google Cloud, but they are trying to make it more decentralized as a Web3 phase. Now the Web3 is currently in vogue here, so, and this project happens to be a Web3 based company. Now we're going to see how active the platform has been. So June 1st, talked about, okay, this is an update. Then we talked about check out latest update about 1 hour ago for app chain. So instead of launching an application on an existing layer one to compete with thousands of dApps, you want to see what users are saying. So is a 10, but doesn't say game back. Okay, so Ankr staking. So they also have a dedicated, I think they have a dedicated platform for staking, a dedicated handle for staking. So if you have staking issues, you want to follow them up to know about this project. Now this is basically how I usually do my research. Check out what is currently happening, check out how active the communities have been, see what users are saying about this project, then look if it's feasible enough for you to invest in. Now the cool thing is that it's currently available on lots of trusted platforms, and most times these platforms usually scrutinize a project before listing them. So that's one key stuff you want to know. Then also you want to know that this video entirely is not a financial advice. So you always want to make your own research, do your own research, because the crypto space has lots of potentials and also has lots of opportunities for you to also lose your funds. So you want to put that into consideration. So those are just some of the keynotes. You want to know that this video is just meant to educate you and let you know about some current and Web3 infrastructure projects that you could look into, make your research and see how feasible they are. Now we can see here on the official website they have the build option where you can have a community RPC endpoint node. We have staking option, we have the gaming option, we have the company where you can check out for careers and more. Community, there are loads of them. We have on Telegram, we have on Reddit. So I'm currently in the Telegram community, so you want to check out to see what users are currently saying. Now also this project has been around for about I think about 4 to 5 years, since 2018 or 2017, which is something which is a good perspective to look into. Now we have a daily API request, nodes in service, we have distinct users, global regions, public RPCs. Now who is building with Ankr? We have the Binance Lab, we have a Polygon Network, Optimism, have Avalanche, Spirit Swap. So these are some projects that are a little bit affiliated, but you also need to make your own due research in order for you to get access to this project. Now this is from Sami Karim, ecosystem director. Ankr is a key infrastructure provider for BNB chain ecosystems. So this allows BNB chain ecosystem to remain competitive and offer both users and builders the latest benefits. Those are just comments from those platforms. So you can see, guys. So guys, I'll be doing in the future run, I'll be doing more reviews on this project, so you can easily get access to it. But right now, as of recording, if you want to get a pie or a piece of this token, you can go over to Binance and search up Ankr token. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this our video, so you want to check out the link beneath our video. You also want to subscribe, click on the like button, and if you have any questions, always do well to let us know. So whether you're a Binance user, Kucoin user, Ankr is available for you to easily get access to there on those platforms. Then also you can decide to come stake your Ankr tokens here if you want to get additional benefits. So you can stake infrastructure, liquid, secure, and easy to integrate. So this should give you more benefits. Stakeable tokens, we have about 180,000 tokens and more. So you want to look into that, guys. So I'll be leaving some helpful materials to also help you. This is a Binance Academy where you can also read more on this project to see some basic reviews and some basic articles or basic understanding or informations about these projects in particular. You can also stake them directly on the Binance platform, or if you want to earn flexible income from Kucoin or Binance, which of them you want to use. So it's available. So guys, I'm going to leave the link in the description of our video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe with your Akahilz. Thanks for watching. We're bringing you more reviews on projects like these, and also the latest updates on what Ankr has been doing for the latest period, the latest time, guys. Peace out, guys. One love and stay blessed.